If you want to turn your garage lights from this to this using just a tape measure, and it's going to cost you less than $100, stick around. So I don't know if your garage is like mine, but the standard lighting sucks. I need light to be able to see when I'm working on my tools. I need light to be able to make good videos for you. So this video, I'm going to go through some really cheap options to really increase the lighting that you can have in your workshop, just like I'm going to do right now. So in my garage, I only have light fixtures in the ceiling in only half of my garage, which is creating a bit of an issue because I need to put light into the other half for basically good light for working over tools, but also good light for you guys. So what are we going to do? So stick around till the end. I'm going to give you a wicked tip on how you can do that in your shop. So by far the easiest way to improve your light, if you've got light sockets already in your garage that is going to suffice, is basically going to be to get better bulbs in there. Now there are several ways that you can do this. One, you can just get multi-bulb adapters and stick more bulbs in there. Two, you can get better bulbs with a higher lumen output. Or three, you can have a combination of installing additional lights and also putting multi-bulb adapters in there. So everything that I'm going to show you in this video, you'll be able to find links below so that you can find the right option that's going to work best for your shop. But cost is everything to me at the moment, and then it's ease of installation. So let's go and have a look at some of the options. So the first option I'm going to try is these LED corn bulbs. I basically got $34 for a pair of two. They are 60 watts each. They're 5,500 lumens each. So they're going to give out a lot more light than these standard crappy bulbs that I've got in now. So let's have a look and see what they look like. So as you can see, just by adding the corn bulbs alone, for $34, I've dramatically increased the lumens and brightness in the shop. It's quite hard to see on camera, but it is really improved. But I think we can do better. So what I'm going to try now is these LED leaf lights. These ones are a 3 leaf. You can get 5 leaves on Amazon. These are about $10 each, and these are going to give out about 8,000 lumens per unit. So if you have a garage with 4 light sockets in it already, these things are going to really up the game. So let's have a look what these look like. Wow, what a huge upgrade these 3 leaf bulbs are. Like, I can't believe the difference in brightness. This is really up the game. So if you're looking for the easiest upgrade, these 3 leaf or even the 5 leaf bulbs are definitely going to be my top choice. My issue is that over here, I've got no receptacles to be able to plug any of these bulbs in. Otherwise, there would be a super simple fix. So I'm going to show you now how we can increase the light on that side of the shop when I've got no light sockets up there. So what I've been and bought is a set of these 4-foot LED strips from Barina. They are basically $80 for a set of 6, and it's really cool the way that they come together. You get these little connectors that can go in the end, and then you can clip all the light strips together, or you've got an included extension cord so that you can clip multiple together over a series of a span if you want to do them in rows, or you can connect in a switch with a plug, so you can put them however you want. I'm going to use a mixture of the plug, the connectors, and the extension. So before you do any installation, I always advise you to lay these out on the ground and fully test them first. It's kind of like setting up all the old Christmas lights on your Christmas tree, then you go plug them in and one string doesn't work, and then they all don't work, and you've got to find the replacement bulb that's blown. I'm going to let these out and we'll have a look and see what they look like. So if you haven't got one already, go pick up yourself one of these laser levels. This one's a Hupar Box 1G. It's about $55 on Amazon, and it is awesome. It takes a little bit to line up, so that's why I put the tape up there first. Makes it easy to line it up, but it makes it so much easier to put things in straight lines. $55, go get yourself one. Link to this one is down below. So before you put these up, there is a plastic cover that goes over the lights. Make sure you take that off, otherwise your lights look really dim. What a difference it makes in this shop. That is huge. Now, the other thing I've got to do here is to sort out the power, because at the moment it's just plugged into an electrical cord. So now what we've got to do is we've got to fix it so that when I turn the light switch on, this guy comes on. So the way that I'm going to turn these on and off is by the use of this smart plug by Genie. It is so simple to use. I've got them all over my house. It's about 20 bucks off Amazon, and you can either plug this into your lights and then use the app on your phone to just turn on the lights when you come in, or if you don't mind doing a tiny bit of electrical work, you can replace your switch in the wall with a smart switch like this, and then use the app to link this to this so that whenever you turn this on, this guy turns on, turns your additional lights on. And that's how I'm going to do mine. Well, I've just linked the smart switch to the smart plug. So now, when I turn the lights off, it turns off all the lights in the garage. I've just got another light on in here, otherwise you won't be able to see me, but that's how simple it is. Super, super simple. So if you don't have light power where you want to put lights, you can run an extension cord and you can put lights wherever you want, connecting to a smart switch. The other cool thing with this is if you have an Alexa or something like that, you can link it to that too, and you can just walk in and say, hey Alexa, turn on garage lights for woodworking, and then it'll turn on whatever you wish. So super, super simple, really easy to follow on the app. Smart switch, smart plug, awesome lights, and now I can work in safety. So for those of you that have dedicated shops, I am so jealous of you. Unfortunately, I'm going to share my garage with all of my kids' junk, which means at the moment I'm constantly moving stuff back and forth. So if you are sharing your garage with your kids, I know your pain.